Today we are going to discuss about the resistors connected in parallel. Imagine three resistors R1, R2, R3 are connected to a circuit to a battery of potential V which delivers a current I. Current of in parallel connection divides into I1, I2, I3 and again combined to form I. In parallel connection, current is divided and potential remains constant. Unlike in series where current is constant, in parallel connection, current is divided into I1, I2, I3. So total current I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. From Ohm's law we know I is equal to V by R. I1 is equal to V by R1. I2 is equal to V by R2. I3 is equal to V by R3. Cancelling V on both sides, resistance in parallel becomes 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. If all resistors are of same value, 1 by Rp is equal to N by R, reversing on both the cases. Rp is equal to R by N for if resistors are same. If resistors are different, we have to use this formula for parallel connection. In domestic circuits, we follow parallel connection only, and the parallel definition goes like this. All positive terminals are connected to one end and all the negative terminals are connected to one end. This is parallel. If you like my explanation, please subscribe my channel, and for numericals in parallel connection, visit my blog link given in the description. Thank you.